Hi thinkers, welcome to Math Thinker. Today we are starting one of the most important and high scoring topics in logical reasoning, that is number series. In almost every bank, SSC and competitive exam, you will definitely find 4 to 5 questions from this topic. And the best part is, if you understand the logic behind the patterns, you can solve them within seconds. No need to waste time on guessing. In this video, I will show you how to identify the right pattern instantly, how to avoid confusion between close options, and how to build speed without losing accuracy. Remember, mastering number series is like unlocking a code. Once you know the trick, every question becomes predictable. So let's begin part 1 of series completion and build your logical thinking step by step. Stay till the end because today you will start seeing numbers in a whole new way. So before we start, let me tell you one of my own quotes. Sometimes laziness leads you to discover shortcuts, the kind that make you smart enough to save time. That's exactly we do here. But I believe sometimes laziness actually makes you smarter because when you don't want to waste time doing the long process, your mind starts finding shortcuts that will be logical, smart, and time saving. And that's what maths is all about, finding smarter ways to reach the answer faster. With the same energy, let's start. See, in series completion, in the part 1 we are doing number series, in part 2 we will do alphabet series, and in part 3 alphanumeric and continuous pattern series. See the first question. You can see here only small difference is there between the numbers. Then you can do addition or subtraction. Like, see, 1 plus 5 if you do it will be 6, plus 9 if you do it will be 15, and for 45 if you do plus 21 it will be 66, and for 66 if you do plus 25 it is 91. So you can see it is alternative odd numbers. Now if you do plus 13, then I think you will get the right number. For 15 if you do plus 13 it will be 28. So let's verify is it right number or no. For 28 if you do plus 17 it should be 45. See, 8 plus 7 15 and it is 45. So the right number is 28. Option D is the right answer. See the second question. Here also you can see the small difference. If you do plus 3 it is 5. If you do plus 4 it is 9. If you do plus 10 it is 19. But the pattern is not matching here. So let's see another pattern. So if you carefully see, it is 2 into 2 plus 1. Now if you do 5 into 2 minus 1, you will get 9. So like that only if you do 9 into 2 plus 1, you will get 19. And here 19 into 2 minus 1 if you do, you will get 37. Now you have to do 37 into 2 plus 1. So 37 into 2 is 74. 74 plus 1 is 75. So option B is the right answer. See the fourth question. You can see here there is a rapid change in the numbers. So if there is a rapid change in numbers, then it might be squares or cubes. Let me see. So it is a 2 square. It is 3 square minus 1. But it is not, 28 is not square. So I think it is 3 cube plus 1. So let me try this pattern. 3 square minus 1. 3 cube plus 1. It is 3 power 4 minus 1. And it is 3 power 5 plus 1. So this pattern is correct. And first number is 3 power 1 plus 1. So you can see the right pattern here. Now you have to find the number 3 power 6 minus 1. So you know 3 power 5 is 243. Into 3 if you do, you will get 729. So for this, if you do minus 1, you will get 728. That is, option D is the correct answer. See the fourth question. You can see here there is a small difference in the numbers 1, 3, 3, 6, 7, 9. If you carefully observe, it is 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. And if you see here, if you do plus 2, you will get 3. If you do plus 4, you will get 7. I think if you do plus 6, you will get 13. And let's see, is it a correct number or no. So if you do plus 8, you should get 21. Yes, you will get. So right number is 13. Option D is the correct answer. See the fifth one. There is a small difference in the numbers. As the numbers are decreasing, it is a subtraction. So if you subtract 325 minus 259, you will get 66. So minus 66 if you do, you will get 259. Again for 259 minus 204, you will get 55. So minus 55 if you do, it is 204. Now you got the pattern, that is minus 44, minus 33, minus 22. Now you have to do minus 11. So if you do minus 11, you will get 94. Option A is the right answer. So if you find the logic within seconds, you can get the answer. That's why it is a scoring topic. See the sixth one. 2, 2, 5, 13, 28. Now the difference is small. Let's see by adding. Plus 0 if you do, 2 will get. Plus 3 if you do, 5 will get. Plus 8 if you do, 13 you will get. And plus 15 if you do, 28 you will get. You can observe this is 2 square minus 1. This is 3 square minus 1. This is 4 square minus 1. And obviously this is 1 square minus 1. Now what you have to do? 5 square minus 1, that is 24. So if you add 24 to 28, you will get 52. So option D is the right answer. So the next number is 52. See the seventh question. I have added here star because it is very important question. Why? Because you can see after solving. See, there is a small difference in the numbers. If you do plus 30, you will get 195. If you do plus 60, you will get 255. If you do plus 30, you will get 285. And again, if you do plus 60, you will get 345. Now obviously you will say if you should do plus 30 and you will get 375. That is option A. It is fully wrong. Why? Because in competitive exams it will be not as silly as this one, plus 60 plus 30 plus 60 plus 30. So there will be another hidden pattern in this. If you carefully observe, all the numbers are ending with the 5. So if you divide with the 5, you will get 33. Here you will get 39. Here you will get 51. Here you will get 57. And here you will get 69. Now you can see all the numbers are multiples of 3. So now we got the real pattern. That is, if you divide all by 15, then you will get, here you will get 11, here you will get 13, here you will get 17, here you will get 19, and here you will get 23. So this is a real pattern: 11, 13, 17, 19 and 23, because these are all prime numbers. So the next prime number is 29. So what you have to do? So you have to do 15 into 29. 15 9s are 135, 15 2s are 30, 30 plus 13 is 43. So 435 is the right answer. So the next number is 435. So don't calculate blindly. Sometimes it will be hidden pattern. Every time it will be not smooth as plus 30 plus 60. So to make you confused only, they have given the 375 as the option. See the next question. Here also if you see there is a rapid change in the numbers. But here if you observe, it is not squares and cubes. So let me try by addition only. If you do plus 5 you will get 7. If you do plus 20 you will get 27. If you do plus 80 you will get 107. And if you do plus 320 you will get 427. So here you can see the pattern. 5 4s are 20, 24s are 80, 84s are 320. Now you do 324s, it is 1280. So 427 plus 1280, you will get 1707. That is option B is the right answer. See the ninth question. So here also you can see the rapid change in the numbers. Then it might be squares or cubes. Let's see, it is a 2 square, it is 3 square plus 1. If you can see, these are the same numbers like before question. So it is 3 power 4 plus 1, it is 3 power 5 plus 1, it is 3 power 6 plus 1. Then we can get the answer, it is 3 cube plus 1, that is 28. So option B is the right answer. As we have solved the before question, this one, question number 3, see, because of this only we got this answer in seconds. See the last question. 563, 647, 479, 815. So if you can see, it is addition and subtraction because the number here is decreasing. So let's see, 563 and 647. The difference is, so plus 84 if you do, you'll get 647. 647 minus 417, you will get 168. So minus 168 if you do, 479 you'll get. Again 815 minus 479. So plus 336 if you do, you will get 815. And now you can see the hidden pattern, that is 84 2s are 168. 168 2s are 336. Again if you do 336 2s are, you will get 672. But you have to do subtraction. 815 minus 672, you will get 143. So the next number is 143. Option D is the right answer. So we have solved all the 10 number series questions. In the next part we are going to solve alphabet series. In the number series only you have to find the logic in the numbers, then you will get the right pattern and you will get the answer in seconds. So try to solve more number series questions, then only you can see the hidden pattern like this. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video then please put a comment and share the video. And who all are new to this channel, please subscribe to Maths Thinker. You can learn the maths in a unique way. Thank you.